guys, it's Whitney. I just got done doing another tutorial. If you ever have any question about the makeup that I use, feel free to leave a comment below and I can go ahead and list that for you. Hopefully you enjoyed. Today I'm using a Profusion palette for the pink and the purple, and then the pigment I used in my last tutorial called Salt and Pepper by Hard Candy. Hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for starters, I go ahead and prep my face. I add the concealer first. I'm just using my roll-on concealer from e.l.f. and then I blend it in with a cotton pad. With this, it blends in really easy, so you don't have to push that hard. You just push really lightly and it will go right in. And I also cover my blemishes with this concealer as well. So here you can see I'm blending it in. Okay, and then on top of that, I add a liquid concealer as well. And I do this before and after my makeup. And blend that in as well. And then I use my Total Face brush for my foundation. I'm just using a powder here. You're more than welcome to use a liquid foundation or the air foam that I showed in my last tutorial as well. And this is me contouring my face. Instead of using my brush, I decided just to use the cotton pad. I go ahead and add it on the sides of my cheeks, on my forehead, on the sides of my nose, and on the tip of my nose and under my jawbone. And then I'm adding in the blush and blend that into your temples just to make sure that's more of a natural look and well blended. Okay, and to get started, I'm going to use the Salt and Pepper pigment from Hard Candy. So I went ahead and mixed that in with some water, and I'm just adding that all over my lid. I'm doing it pretty high because I do want a lot of the silver to show even after I add my eyeliner on. So as you can see, I'm lifting that up pretty high. And then this is what it would look like with both eyes. And then if you want, you can always go in and make it a little bit more solid, just depending on how solid of a silver you want to do. And then I am going to be adding on my eyeliner just so that I can get an idea of how much silver will be showing. So as you can see, I go ahead and apply my eyeliner before the rest of my eyeshadow. You're going to go over this eyeliner anyway because you're going to get eyeshadow on it. It was just so that I could get that line so I could make sure that I had enough of that silver showing. So if you can kind of eyeball it, sorry, you can skip that step. Okay, and then I'm going to start with kind of a lavender purple in the crease just so that it can blend into the purple and the pinks. It's kind of hard to see, that's why I'm kind of put my hand up and try to show it to you guys. It's kind of just a really light lavender, and again you'll start to see that I get a little bit of the eyeshadow on my eyeliner. It's no big deal, we're going to cover that up. And then I'm going in with a darker purple, and this one you can actually see in the camera. Okay, and then I'm going to get my blending brush and go in with the hot pink. So just blend, 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 and I'm going to go quite high on that, bringing it all the way up to the silver that will go under my eyebrow. You can use whatever hot pink you'd like. I was using Profusion palette. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to get a silver and a pearl white mixture and add it on top of the pigment just to bring some of that silver back in, and then I'm going to enter that into underneath my brow. Apply that under my eyebrow. Perfect, and blending that into the pink. And then I'm adding all of that light pearly look into the corner of my eyes, on the lid, and underneath the eye. All right, and here I am retouching up that eyeliner. I'm just using a cream eyeliner from e.l.f. Just slapping that on top. And doing that as well on my bottom waterline, and then make sure to always blend it up into your wing. Okay, I'm just doing my eyebrows here. I am using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit. I start at the edge, the outer edge of my eyebrow towards my inner face and work my way out. And then on where I want my arch to be, I definitely make it a little bit darker to make it more dramatic and have more definition. Okay, and then you can add on your mascara. If you are going to be applying eyelashes, I definitely would recommend to do that. And then apply it to your bottom lashes as well. And go ahead and curl those lashes. And I always go back in with my foundation and add it all over my face and reapply that under eye concealer. This just gives it really a sharp finish. And if there's any eyeshadow that dropped off, it takes it off. And you can always go and touch up that corner eyeliner as well if you want to get that sharper edge. And perfect. Hopefully you liked that tutorial.